We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AHCO stock. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle, like it's coming from an area of support, but second last candle has a major wick up to that high, so it could be dropping down to create that third leg of some structure. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level lows. So current price is sitting at 20.15. If price work his way up further, we'll see price head back up to the previous numbers of 22.09. If you want to put it between the midpoint of that area, it can stop at 21.12 before working its way up further. And if price turns around and works its way down, price action can head back down to that previous area of support, sitting at 17.83. So market is in consolidation with this price action candle. It is within the price second, third to last candle. Also some fourth to last candle, but the main important thing is we have a long wick to that second last candle, and that fourth to last candle, price action, look for that to engulf that area too and close out to see if that market is going to push. So if that market's going to push up, we're looking for that structure to form that pattern of the overall first, second, third, and the market pushes up from that area, creating that W formation incline. If not, market's coming from an area of resistance, which will be identified the first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest, and it could push for the fourth time and then break the SR line and lead back to previous numbers of 12.95. That's if it works its way backwards or down. We can receive that consolidation as it doing with price second, third, last candle staying between the numbers of 201 and 17, bouncing up and down till that price is fully breaks out. On the weekly time frame, price action is identified as a bullish green candle with a long wick down to the bottom, similar to a doji, but we do have that support. Also, we're on the weekly time frame, so we can see that market still push up out of that. If so, we'll identify as that first, and market push up for that second. If it breaks this line here, it can retest and work its way up. So let's zoom into that area. Let's still put a midpoint between that area so we can see it as we walk down the time frame how it's really looking. Or that market can be rejected at this area here, so it'll be identified as a first, second, third, and market push down for that fourth. If it rejects it, you'll see some type of bearish red candle or red candle pop up in that area that's going to push that market down. But price action, long wick down to that bottom, so it can be pushing up for some momentum. Let's take a look at what's going on the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle, so we can see that formation building. So price action just stopped between the midpoint area at 20.15. So we can see that market's trying to form that incline W first, second, third, and push and break out. We do have the engulfment for price action towards the second, third, fourth, and fifth to last candle. So that's enough momentum for that market to push. We also know that that one to the fourth to last candle in the market is a major area of support that can also push that market. So as the time move on, we're looking for a market to break the SR line of 20.19 to work its way up further, unless we receive that rejection. And we'll talk about that on a 4-hour time frame. If that rejection does happen, it'll identify as an incline incline M, which will be the first leg, second leg, and it'll reject it after this is the third leg, and we'll see that rejection if the candles form on the side of that and work its way down. But so what we're looking for is to see if price action is going to break above that SR line to work its way up further. It did tag it once, but it still can have enough momentum to push up or identify a retest on side of that to still finally push up. So far, we got to keep walking down the time frame to see what's going on. 3-hour time frame, price action, bullish green candle, long wick up to the top, similar to a retest candle. So third to last candle spiked up, price action retesting the second to last candle. We're going to see if that market's going to push and break out. If not, market will run into that area of resistance. So we do have price action body above the previous body. Price action wick is above the previous wick. That is enough momentum for that market to push up. Also, we do know that price action is on the SR line, so we do have to wait to see what's going on. Same as the 2-hour time frame, same as the 1-hour time frame, but now we're seeing that retest right before the price action. Third last candle spiked up, price action retest. Second last candle retest, price action is trying to break out. Price action body and wick is engulfing all the previous side, which can push up further, but we see that price action sitting on the SR line, so we want to wait to see if it's going to engulf and close out above the third to last candle wick to work that market up. Reading the same on the 45-minute time frame, also reading the same as 30-minute time frame, just got a double retest with the second and third to last candle in the market. We definitely want to see that price action engulf that fourth to last candle wick to push that market up. But be careful because price action is on that SR line. 15-minute time frame identifying the retest with the price action bearish red candle as a doji. Third last candle spiked up, price action retest. If it's respected, we'll see a price action candle come up in green and start engulfing that second and third last candle. And also that's a bit of a consolidation in this area because price action and second to last candle is side by side with one another. Same as a 5-minute time frame, now we can see that consolidation happening. Why? We do have price second and third to last candle all side by side, identifying a dojis or a long wick down to the bottom, identifying an area of support. But this price action candle currently have a long wick up to that top. So until we see something in a candle engulf the price second, third to last candle, definitely the third to last candle, second to last candle, push that market up or down, we'll just receive that up and down area consolidation on that SR line as we walk down the time frame. Same as well in the 3-minute time frame, we're starting to see that structure, so it can be respected for that first, second, third, and we'll see that green candle start pushing out for that bullish or that fourth leg. If not, market is running to that area of resistance, and we'll talk about that on the 1-minute time frame. It'll be identified as multiple spike ups to that top. First, second, third, fourth, retest, and market broke. Now it can retest the bottom and still fall down. If so, it's coming from a triple top and retest, but still overall, we do know this full area here to that top of this wick of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10th candle in the market, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, the 6th candle in the market. The 10th and the 6th candle in the market is that consolidation. So we'll see that bounce up and bounce down until that market breaks out and close below those wicks to the bottom side or to that top side to take that market into that direction. Okay guys, very important information. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. AHCO stock.